is crazy. Third time is a charm. Welcome back to the GoPro series part 3. This is off exit 368. I'm not a gatekeeper, so I'll tell you everything in order for you to come here on your own. That's scary, actually. Yeah. Maybe this used to be like a place where you'd order food. Take some photos. Oh snap. Honestly, it looks like a film set. Looks like a film set. Fasters? I guess you drive your car through here and you order food. I don't want to step on the glass. Okay, let's get her in the shot. It smells like cigarettes because that lady's smoking cigarettes. Huh. I don't want to go in, but it looks crazy to me. I don't want to peek my body in, but cool. Well, yeah, I guess that's it. It's a little bit wild. It's a little bit... Oh, look, you could sit right there. There's a chair. There's literally like someone... What if someone... I don't want to think about it. I don't want to walk in the dirt, but I would go there to check it out. But for now, I'm just gonna take this shot. It's a vibe.